Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ayurveda Natural Cures. Today, we're talking about something very important, cooking oils and cancer risks. As we age, what we eat plays a huge role in our health, and some oils may actually increase our risk of cancer. But don't worry, we'll also cover the safest oils to use, so you can keep cooking delicious meals without fear. Now, I know some of this might sound a little scary, but knowledge is power. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which oils to avoid and which ones to keep in your kitchen. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. Why oils matter. First, let's talk about why oils matter. We use them for frying, baking, and salad dressings, but not all oils are created equal. Some break down into harmful chemicals when heated, while others can cause long-term damage to our cells. For seniors, this is especially important because our bodies don't handle toxins as well as they used to. Some oils can cause inflammation, which is linked to cancer, heart disease, and even memory problems. So, which oils should we be careful with? Let's go through them one by one. The top dangerous oils. 1. Processed vegetable oils, soybean, corn, canola. These oils are in almost every packaged food, salad dressings, crackers, even healthy snacks. But they're highly refined and full of omega-6 fats, which can cause inflammation. When heated, they release toxic chemicals linked to cancer. 2. Hydrogenated oils, trans fats, margarine, shortening. Remember when margarine was supposed to be healthier than butter? Well, it turns out artificial trans fats are some of the worst things for our health. They've been banned in many countries because they raise bad cholesterol and increase cancer risk. 3. Reused frying oil, common in restaurants and fast food. Have you ever seen how dark and smoky frying oil gets at restaurants? When oils are reheated over and over, they form cancer-causing chemicals like acrylamide. If you love fried foods, it's better to make them at home with fresh oil. 4. Rancid oils, old or poorly stored oils. Oils can go bad just like milk. If your oil smells funny or tastes bitter, throw it out. Rancid oils are full of free radicals, which can damage our cells and increase cancer risk. Now, the good news. There are much healthier oils that are safe and even good for you. Here are my top picks. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. This is one of the best. It's full of antioxidants and great for salads or low-heat cooking. 2. Avocado oil. Great for frying because it doesn't break down easily at high heat. 3. Coconut oil, unrefined. Good for baking and medium-heat cooking. Just don't overdo it. A little tip, store oils in a dark, cool place to keep them fresh longer. Simple tips to stay safe. Let's recap with 3 easy tips. Avoid processed vegetable oils, soybean, corn, canola. Never reuse frying oil more than once or twice. Choose extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil for daily cooking. Small changes make a big difference in the long run. I hope this video helped you understand which oils to avoid and which ones to enjoy. Remember, cooking should be fun and healthy. If you found this useful, give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite oil to cook with? Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Ayurveda Natural Cures. Stay happy and healthy.